Howdy, howdy, Ace Drywall. My name is Joseph Graham. Check it out, man. So, what you're looking at right now is called the heat map. And this shows us everywhere you are and are not being shown in the map listings. And what are the map listings? Let's say someone is searching for, drywall, construction, doesn't matter, foot surgeon. There's going to be three top businesses in these map listings. Now, these three top businesses get 80% of the traffic or 80% of the phone calls. Okay. And unless they are literally in the same neighborhood where you set up this map listing, you're not going to be displayed. So yeah, you are being displayed number 2 over here, right? But they literally have to be right there. If they're down the street over here off of Stagecoach, you're going to see these top 3 businesses, right? And they have to go through like pages to find you. So just keep in mind that whenever you are being shown in more areas in those search results, you're going to be getting more sales, making more sales. So if you want to learn how to do that, stick around and watch the next video.